Everything I am, everything I am, everything I be, everything I be. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord. And do you thankfully, thankfully. Everything I have, everything I have, all you given me, all you given me. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord. And do you thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Yes, a gift to you. Yes, a gift to you. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat with everyone with country. I pledge my devotion to my country and my people in their well-being and prosperity. Alone lies my happiness.
Good morning. Today's news. IMD issues red alert in 7 districts of Odisha. Kerala continues to account for more than 50% of daily COVID cases. Sports. ISL starts on November 19. ATK Mohan Bagan to face Kerala. That's all for today's news. Thank you. Have a nice day.
നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്നത്തെ പ്രധാന വാർത്തകൾ. വെഗസ് സുപ്രീം കോടതിയും കേന്ദ്രവും മുഖാമുഖം. 11 സ്കൂളുകൾ കൂടി ഹൈടെക്. ഭൂപേന്ദ്ര പട്ടേൽ ഗുജറാത്ത് മുഖ്യമന്ത്രിയായി അധികാരമേറ്റു.
Good morning, teachers and my dear friend. Today's truth of the day is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world.
Hi friends, now I will ask you some GK questions. My first question is, which day celebrated as Ozone Day? Answer is September 16th. My next question is, what is the color of ozone layer? Answer is light blue. My last question is, who discovered ozone? The answer is Charles Fabry Henry Bussison. Thank you.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे